Hi everyone, welcome to our class. So let's revise our topic. What was our topic? Weather and seasons. But we were learning about summer season. Do you know why summer is so hot? Yes, because of the scorching heat of the sun. What is this? Mango. It is the king of all the fruits. This is watermelon. It contains lots of water. These are seasonal fruits. If we feel hot at home, what do we use? Yes, fan, air conditioner, cooler. Now, during summer season, if you go out, what should you do? You should wear your sunglasses. You should wear your hat or cap. If you are not having hat or cap, you can use umbrella. We should drink lots of water, fresh fruit juice, coconut water to keep ourselves hydrated. And you know, ice cream is one of my favorite things which I love to eat during summer season. Hope you enjoyed revising the topic. So children, you can make these small things with the help of your parents, which will help you to learn faster. Parents, this kind of activity will strengthen the muscles of fingers and hands. It is a kind of fine motor skill, and the best part of it is that it will help your child to be engaged and focused. Now, I am going to give you the solution of yesterday's worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to circle the things related to summer season. The first picture is of woolen cap. Do we wear woolen cap in summer season? No, so we will not circle it. Ice cream cone. Yes, everyone loves to eat ice cream in summer season. So, we had already circled it. Next one, sunglasses. Sunglasses helps to protect our eyes from the direct sunlight. So, it is related to summer season. We had already done a circle. Next one, gumboots. Do we wear gumboots during summer season? No. So, we will not circle. Next one, muffler. Do we wear muffler during summer season? No. So, we will not make a circle. Last one, cooler. Yes, we use cooler as it keeps us cool during summer season. So, we had already made a circle. In this worksheet, you have to tick the activities related to summer season. The first picture is of summer camp. Here, summer activities are held which help children to learn new skills and spend their time creatively. So, this is a summer activity. Yes, we will put a tick as I had already done. Next picture is of bonfire. Children are sitting near bonfire. They are wearing sweater, muffler. So Is it a summer activity? No. So we will not put a tick. Next one. Some children are playing in the rain. Is it a summer activity? No. So we will not put a tick. Last one. Some children are learning swimming in the swimming pool. Is it a summer activity? Yes. It keeps us cool during summer season. So we will put a tick as I had already done. So children, it is advised to drink plenty of water during summer season. As we sweat a lot, we should take care not only in summer season but in all seasons, as prevention is better than cure.